morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we receive today's new smartwatch. It is the Y68 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so this is one of the latest version of the Y68, an upgraded version. Remember, we have the other one, another upgraded version or another version of the Y68. Okay, new design, new specs and features. And this one, it is also an upgraded version. It is the Y68 Plus smartwatch. So it is very new, and we are here to check it out. Let's see if there are some difference or there are some upgrades, okay, addition to its features and specifications. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so let's start and check it out. Let's do some unboxing. Again, if you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so we have here, so again, nice box. I love the packaging here. So we have here the user manual, Y68 Plus smartwatch, compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0. So far, you can really see some difference, especially in the packaging. Remember the Y68? So here is the packaging of the previous Y68 smartwatch. So this time, it looks much better. Okay, it looks more premium compared to the first version. Okay, so we have here the user manual. So it is in Chinese version or language, and we have the English here. So we have the support app. It is still using HRY Fine app, available in iOS and Android. So we have here the QR code. Okay, let's check and remove this from the box. Okay, so we have here the device, the smartwatch. Where's the strap? Let's see. We have the strap. Okay, so we have the strap here. So still they have the same material, silicone strap, and of course it is also somewhat like a cover for the direct USB port here, or direct USB connector here, charging. Okay, so let's put this, attach this strap here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's check, remove this. So it really shows that we have, what's this, an interesting watch faces available. Okay, so this is your Y68 Plus smartwatch. So let's check for our Y68. We can see some comparison. Okay, so this is your Y68 smartwatch. Okay, so you see the difference. This one is much bigger. It looks more premium. I think it is a metal body here. We also have a physical button here. So let's have a closer look. So we have a physical button, beautiful body here. It looks premium, and it is much bigger, especially for the screen size. Okay, so let's set this aside first. So let's have a closer look at the design. Take a look at the Y68 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so it has a pedometer, heart rate monitor here. Okay, and seems like it has a very wide screen. You have the power button here, and what else? strap, the same silicone strap. Okay, so are you ready to check on the menus? Okay, the graphics here. On this video, we're just going to show you the preview of its menus. On the second video, we're going to show you the full menu as well as the support app for the smartwatch. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, that's it. Wow, very fast. Okay, so we have here, let's check. I bought it from Shopee. Okay, so we have here, okay, the shopping site Y68 Plus. Okay, so what are the features here? So it can answer built-in speaker, so sport mode. Okay, so it has a multiple sports mode, sleep sedentary, and USB quick removal, direct charge, monitor your heart rate, and Bluetooth calling feature. So it is running HS6620 processor with a heart rate monitor and 3D acceleration sensor. So for the screen display, we have 1.54 inch IPS color screen with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, so we have, guess we have a touch screen. Wow, nice one. Beautiful smartwatch, affordable smartwatch with the support for the touch screen. So there's a very huge improvement over the Y68. Okay, very sharp display. Let me show you the Y68. Okay, so this one doesn't have a battery. We'll see. We'll get another one and check. Okay, let's see. Guess we don't have the smartwatch here. Okay, we have here the Y68. Okay, so this is our Y68, the classic Y68. I have here at least two. Okay, I think a rose gold, I think, in color, and the other one is black. So this is your UI for the Y68 and the display. While for the Y68 Plus smartwatch, as you can see here, very huge improvement. It supports touchscreen. It is preloaded with a lot of watch faces, as you can see here. Based on the sticker we have, or the cover. So this is your Y68 Plus smartwatch. Okay, menus. Okay, what else do we have here? Wow, there's a lot of preloaded watch faces. I think it is more than 10. Not sure. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. Oh, that is a Bluetooth call, sports mode. We have, let me see. Okay, running, jumping rope, cycling. We have swimming. So if it has a swimming function, so this has a very good waterproof rating. Hiking. Okay, so that's it. These are the sports mode available in your Y68. So we also have music control. What else do we have here? Let's see. Timer. And let's see the heart rate. Okay, so it is measuring. Let's see. It's working. So far, very good graphics, and we expect that there will be a lot of options for the smartwatch in the support app. Okay, so it is using the HRY Fine support app. Okay, so far we have a very good impression of the Y68 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so if you are interested in getting an affordable smartwatch, Okay, I advise you not to buy this one, although it's very affordable, but it has a very limited function and features. Go for this one. This is also affordable, very cheap, but again, it is very affordable, but it has a very improved design as well as the features here. The menu, okay, full touchscreen, while for the Y68 we have a touch button key. Okay, seems like it almost looks like a toy. But anyway, if you want an affordable smartwatch and you just want a simple message notifications as well as time, this one will do. But if you can spare more, if you want to buy a smartwatch, I guess this one is much better. It is really a plus for the Y68. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, watch out for our second video review of this Y68 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye!